Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I want to explain factorization. First of all, I will define what's meant by factorization. Factorization means to split a value into its particle with respect to multiplication. Split a value into its parts with respect to multiplication known as factorization. There are 6 methods of factorization. First method is that to take common value. Second method midterm breaking. Third value completing scale method. Fourth method by applying formula or identity. Fifth method by remainder theorem. Sixth method by factor theorem. Today I want to explain the first 2 methods to take common value. The question is x k plus 5x. There are just 2 values. I want to factorize it. Just we will take common x because x is found in these 2 values. X can mean x can mean x multiply x. But when we take common 1x, remainder is x plus 5. This x has been taken as common. The answer is x into x plus 5. This is very short method, very easy method which I have explained. Second method is midterm weighting. I will explain this method with 2 questions. First question is that xk plus 12x plus 32. The method is that first of all we will multiply first value with last value. First of all we will multiply first value with last value with sign. The answer is plus 32x here. There is a positive sign. That is very important role of this sign. This sign indicates that when you will break the mid value, these two parts into 2 parts, these 2 parts will be added. This is depend on positive sign. What this sign, if this sign is negative and you want to break mid value, this mid value is formed by subtraction, not addition. But when we multiply first value with the last value, if the sign is positive, after mid value breaking, these 2 portions will be added. By adding these 2 portions, 4x with 8x, the answer is 12x. When I multiply with 4x with 8x, the answer is plus 32x square. How this pair has been formed? This pair is that like LCM, we make factor of 32. 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. 1 2 3 4 5. These are 5 value, but I require just 2 value. How I make just 2 value? I made 2 multiply 2 with 2, the answer is 8, and last 2 value 2 multiply 2, the answer is 4. But these 2 factor has been found. When I add these 2 factor, 8 plus 4, the answer is 12x. When these 2 value, when I multiply 8 with 4, the answer is plus 32x scale. It means our pair is the right pair. And then we will take common from first 2 value. The first 2 common is x, remaining x plus 4. And the last 2 value we will take common 8, the remaining is x plus 4. These two values should be same. If these values are same, the question is accurate. But if these two values are differ, then question will be wrong. It's a tentative rule. But then we will choose just first value x plus 4 and remaining common value we will enclose in a bracket. The answer is x plus 4 into x plus 8. I factorize these values into 2 portions. Factorization means split of a value into its part with respect to multiplication. Second rule, second question that I want to explain. Question is that x scale minus 15, x minus 100. For the first question, I will multiply x scale with minus 100. The answer is minus 100 x scale, and the sign is negative. Because it's positive sign, it's a negative sign. But this is a negative, a very important role of this negative sign. What is the role of this negative sign? This negative sign indicates that you will make the pair of this value by subtracting, not adding. Not, it is not authentic rule. You will add in such case when the sign of product is positive, then you will make the pair by adding. What if the sign of product is negative? You will make the pair by subtracting, not adding. Then we are also, I made a factor like LCM. 250s are, 225s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. 1 2 3 4. There are 4 value. What I require just 2 value. Or I make just 2 value. One easy method. This 2 value I multiply 2 with 5. The answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. And the first and the last value remain alone. 20. When we subtract 20 with 5 with 20, the answer is 15. And when we multiply 20 with 5, the answer is 100. It means our pair is accurate. This sign will be chosen with a greater value. This sign, that is very also important. Students are confused. Where is sign is kept? Where is sign is written? Where is sign is written? Their sign is written with the major value, large value, bigger value, and a small, and opposite sign will be written in the smaller value. 20 minus 5. When we take the common first 2 values, x is common, remaining x plus 5. The last 2 values common is minus 20. The remaining x plus 5. Remaining x plus 5. If the first value is minus, the inner sign will be, if the first inner sign will be j, minus 20. The answer, if these two values are same, with the same sign, the question is right, otherwise wrong. X plus 5 and x minus 20. That is very important method. I explained 2 methods, just 2 methods now. So first method is to take common value, and I explained this method with this question. And the second method is midterm breaking. I elaborated this method with 2 questions. Now in the next lecture, I will explain by completing scale method as well as by applying formula. And also in the next lecture, I will explain inshallah by remainder theorem as well as by factor theorem.